Hi, Maggie in front of the camera and Kay's behind. Well, she's actually on holiday at the minute, so I'm just getting a few little bits done. And we're going to talk about the tape guide today, just to show you how the concept works. So basically it's an acrylic tool, and you'll see on here there's some etched lines. If we zoom in, let's have a look and see. That's it there. And then there's some etched letters. That says MDF. It's a bit hard to see. And if you turn it round, that says GB for Greyboard. So one is the width of our Greyboard, and the other is the width of 3mm MDF. And then you'll see you've got etched lines along here. The first two solid lines are for 25mm width, then 30mm width, and then 50mm width. So it's all designed to help you get tape evenly placed around your Greyboard if you struggle. Lots of people don't, but I've found as I'm getting older I do find it a bit harder to do. So there's lots of different methods. Karen shows quite a few different methods as well. This is the way I tend to do it, and so I'm using our black frame tape. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. That's it. And I'll take this off here. Actually I won't, so you can see it. So what I'm going to do is take my black frame tape and I'm just going to fold over the edge, and I'm going to find the Greyboard side which says GB, turn it over, and I'm just going to run this tape along the centre, following the length of the line there. Just fold that bit back a little bit, and then I'll take that out of the way, pop that onto there, and then I can go like that. So the next thing I'm going to do, actually I'm going to move it along a little bit. I'm going to pop it there. That just helps to hold it in place for you. You don't have to fold it back if you don't want to. And then we're just going to take our Greyboard, put it in place, pull your tape out, and it helps to get it lined up nice and straight for you. Again, you might find it easier if you stand up, and then what I like to do is push this down here, lift that up, and then you can just fold that back and it will come off like that. Put that down, you can see where the line of the tape was. That's that there. Carry on going around, because now you've got it lined up. That's it, that's the next one. Oh, that's the next one there. And just a little snip. Just going to take that edge off there. And then Karen's top tip, rest it on your tape like this. Let's just zoom out a bit more. That's it. Okay, just run your multi-purpose tool just along the edge, or if you find it difficult to do that, just do it like this. Okay, and then you need to do a little snip. So angle there, so that bends back. You put that behind so you can see it. So that bends back like that. I'm going to do the same here, but you don't really want to lose your triangle if you can help it, because that's to protect your corner so no Greyboard will show through. But if it does come off, don't worry, you can just use some black felt tip to clean it. Same again here. Right, you can see that one's come off there, so what we'll do is we'll fold it over, and I'll show you what I mean about the black felt tip. So that's folded over there, that's folded over there, and there is a teeny tiny amount of Greyboard showing. So all I'm going to do is just cover that over with a bit of black pen, and it will be fine. And then you're just going to repeat on the other side. And sometimes if you find you have a lot of problems with the triangles coming off, cut this one at the middle. Don't cut it at such a sharp angle. Can you see you've got a, it's not straight, but it's a much less sharp angle, so do those two first. Then go back in. Go down, and I can see I haven't cut that far enough, so just snip it down a bit further, pop that in, and the same here. You might actually get away with that piece cut off completely. Make sure you have a sharp pair of scissors to do this, because it does help. Right, okay, so pop that one over there, pop that one over there, pop that one over there, pull it straight, and that's it. And you can see you've got a nice even border all the way around. It doesn't matter if you haven't, but sometimes when you're laying out your spines and putting your pages in, you think, oh, that doesn't look very straight, and that just helps you get it a bit more even using the tape guide. Thank you.